Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Mithun. Today I'm going to show you 5 coolest tools which Google Drive has. So without any delay, let's get started. If you are a blogger, content writer, student, teacher, this video will help you. See, this is my home screen. The recent file I added here. So all you need to do is first go to new, then go to Google Doc. Here you can see new document will open. So the first tool is voice typing. So for voice typing you have to go to tools, then here you can see voice typing. Click here, then click here, then whatever you say it will start typing. Let's say please like and subscribe my channel. See, it will write, right? It is so cool, right? If you are a blogger or your typing is so slow, or you don't need to type, means you feel lazy to type, then this tool is for you guys. Then this tool is spelling and grammar. So if you worry about spelling and grammar, don't worry about it. Google Drive has these features also. Just click on tool. Here you can see tool and grammar. Here you can get 4 options: spelling and grammar check, show spelling suggestion, show grammar suggestion. See, all 3 you have to check in here. Again you go to tool, then show spelling, and go to tool, then spelling, grammar, show grammar suggestion. You select it, right? This is so cool. If you mistake any word in this sentence, it will automatically correct it. So number 3 is word count. If you are a blogger, student, definitely you need a word count for your knowledge. So again you have to go to tool, then see here word count. Click on word count. Here see, I have only one page, 14 word, character 82. See, all you need to do is click on display word count while typing. Okay, it will show here left side corner how many word you have. So whatever you wrote, it will count here automatically. So let's say please share this video with your friends and family. See, word count increases 23, right? Then again here see, you can see 138 character. You can see every details from here, how many word you wrote, how many character you have. And next tool is, if you need this document to in another language, you need to translate it. So all you need to do is go to tools, then here you can see translate document. Translate it whatever language you want. Just select here. Let's say I need Hindi, right? Hindi. Just type Hindi, it will came here, then translate it. It will open a new tab and it will give you the full sentence in Hindi, right? Number 5 tool is very important. If you are a blogger or a student, then this will help you a lot. All you need to do is go to insert, then image. Definitely if you want to if you're going to write a blog, then you definitely need an image for attracting, right? It looks attracting while you give the image. So if you don't have the image in your computer, you have to go to web search, right? You don't need to go to another, open a new tab and search it and download it, and then it will load it to here. Just click on search the web. Click here, it will open a Google right side corner. Just type it here, puppy. See, cute little puppy came. Just click on it, drag and drop. It will load it here. See how cool it is. It will look attractive, right? I wrote two sentences here and one image here. It will write. See, you can see here how many character I have. All the things is so cool. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Till then, have a great day.